It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Push your words, go watch your way, and the vibe is feeling stronger. What's small turn to a friendship, and friendship turn to a bond, and the bond will never be broken, and love will never get lost. And when brotherhood comes, the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we keep. So remember me when I'm gone.
When I'm gone,
When I'm gone.
How could we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you will be with me for the last time.
let the light